Hey guys, welcome back to Elan app. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Shopify payments payouts will be on hold. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering how do you solve this problem here with your Shopify account. Well, solving this one is kind of complicated because there are going to be a lot of factors here that you need to consider, and the problem itself is actually dependent or is very specific to the user itself. So how do we actually fix this one? So I'll be guiding you a few steps that you need to do here and see in order for you to solve this one. So first things first, you want to go ahead and log in into your Shopify account, choose your store, and at the top right, you want to click on the My Store section here. Now what we need to do is we need to choose the option that says Help Center. Now, what we need to do first is we need to search for the option that, or in this case, the option that says, or the chatbot section here. So you could go ahead and go to the Ask Assistant Anything here and just type in the following, which is going to be payments payout on hold. Now, in this case, it's going to make sure that we spell this correctly and just press on enter. Now, it's going to give you some useful articles here and some descriptions that you might want to know. Now, in this case, it could lead to a number of issues here, but mostly the issue itself will be sent via your email. Now, typically, in this case, Shopify would actually email you what problem you're having right now on your account. So you might want to check your email and see what type of problem you have. So it may be insufficient funds, bank processing issues, or invalid bank account. So you might need to also contact your bank just to clarify a few things or agree that you want to use your account here for specific payouts. So there are going to be certain problems. Now you might need to contact your bank, or in this case, you need to connect to a Shopify support customer representative. Now, typically, in order for you to reach out to a customer representative here, you can go ahead and just type in the following. So just type in the following, which is going to be connect me to a customer support. Just press send here, and it should give you the option to start connecting to a customer support or representative. Now, in this case, it's going to be, or say you are currently in queue here, you can go just wait for them and basically have a chat with them and basically discuss anything. Now, provide any information that you need here, and they will be able to assist you on this problem. But then again, before you reach out to a customer representative here, make sure to check your email and do the following steps they ask you before contacting customer support here. But if you've done everything, you can go ahead and just reach out to them. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to your Line app. Thank you for watching.